This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can switch between photo and video shooting modes on this drone. So first, open the Flight or Go Fly interface, and here look to your right. Above shutter button, you'll find a little rectangle icon, tap on it, and here you can switch between photo, video, or quick shots modes. While in the photo mode, you can switch between different sub modes as well, so single, AEB, burst shot, and timer. When it comes to video, you can record normal or slow motion videos. And that's about it, so thanks for watching and bye bye.